question 26 is on surds. Part A, we're asked to rationalise the denominator. At the moment, because the denominator is a surd, it's an irrational number. I need to rationalise that. That means make it a rational number. So there's a little trick we have to do this. So if I take what we have, 5 over root 2, and if I multiply above and below by root 2 over root 2, this part effectively is actually just like multiplying by 1. It's like multiplying by 1, because root 2 over root 2 is 1. So, and if I multiply something by 1, I actually get the same thing back. So I'm just going to change the way it looks. Okay, 5 times root 2 is 5 root 2, and root 2 times root 2 is 4. So there we have it. That's the answer to the question, 5 root 2 over 4. Next part, expand and simplify. So remember that 2 plus root 3 all squared means 2 plus root 3 times 2 plus root 3, and then we've got to take away 2 minus root 3 times 2 minus root 3. Now what I would suggest is, because I've got this minus sign here, I want to be careful of that, so I'll deal with that later. So I'm going to put some big brackets around. Let's work on the first part. So this is just like expanding double brackets. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times root 3 is 2 root 3. Root 3 times 2, again 2 root 3. And then root 3 times root 3 is 3. We can tidy this up now. This is going to be 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, let's continue on. Now, again, I'll worry about introducing this minus sign in a moment. Let's focus on this. So we get 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times minus root 3 is minus 2 root 3. Minus root 3 times 2 is again minus 2 root 3. And then minus root 3 times minus root 3 will be plus 3. Okay, negative times negative is positive. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Again, keep the brackets around it. And what I'm going to do in a moment, I'm going to tidy this up first. So 4 plus 3 is 7. And then minus 2 root 3 minus another 2 root 3 is minus 4 root 3. And now hopefully you can see why I was protecting everything in here with these red brackets. I can now introduce the minus sign. So we got 7 plus 4 root 3. So that's minus 7. And then minus and a minus is plus. Minus 4 root 3 is plus 4 root 3. And then last part of the question, 7 minus 7 is 0. And then we get 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3 is 8 root 3. And that's the question done.